Hey everyone, it's Detective EV124 here. Today I'm going to show you how to have as successful a YouTube channel as me. Step 1. Alright, now that you have a clear table, get boxes to show people your YouTube channel is about. That way, flex how rich you are because of how many expensive products you have. Look at this. Ooh, and don't forget, you have to show off that you have an amiibo. Especially if you're, well, you don't actually have to unless you're a Nintendo channel. Step 3, I think. Get more things in your setup. Example here, I have some weird multi-tool thing. So I'll just put that right there. Then I have an amiibo. Oh, and then I can put my Game Inform subscription magazine up here for being a GameStop Pro member. Step 5-ish. Have a good camera. Make sure you have an SD card with a most amount of storage possible. Even if that amount of storage is only 2 gigabytes. As we see here, I have a very large sized SD card at a whopping 8 gigabytes. Oh yeah, that's so much space. And of course, you have to make sure you put it in correctly, obviously. Dang, nabbit, it didn't work. Let's just put that in there and carefully insert it inwards until you hear a click. And then make sure it's as waterproof as possible. See, this camera is actually waterproof without it being in this case, but I lost the cover for the SD card slot and whatnot, so I have to use this thing. Step 6-ish. Have a good sense of humor. If you don't, no one will like you and you will have no subscribers. Step 7. Have a lot of watch time and subscribers. Step 8. Have a good editing software. Or just a free one because you're broke and can't afford it yet. Because you aren't monetized. Because even though you're getting good views and stuff, you don't have a lot of subscribers because no one wants to subscribe to your YouTube channel. Well, that's how to make a successful YouTube channel. Oh, and of course, the last thing is make sure you plug as much as you can. Anytime you see any point you can plug your merch, if you have merch, I don't. Anytime you have a chance, plug your say subscribe, like, and comment. And if you have merch, unlike me, make sure you tell them to buy your merch as much as possible so they'll want to watch your videos even more.